Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share two brand new fixed return on investment farmers with you. The first one is Mybusd farm. This is a smart contract that runs on the Binance Smart Chain, so you need a MetaMask wallet to participate in this contract. Like all smart contracts, this one runs entirely on its own. Nobody can change the code when it's deployed, and no money can be taken out. Mybusd farm was just launched and there's already $186,000 total invested. That's incredible. You can check the contract on BSC Scan to see if people are still putting in BUSD, and in this case they are. It's always a good idea to check BSC Scan before you invest in these dApps to find out if the contract is still healthy. If the contract is draining out, and more people are cashing out than investing, then I would not put money in it. It's simple, but many people still don't make the effort. Mybusd farm has different plans and pays out 7 up to 32% daily fixed interest on your stable coins. The smallest daily payout is for Plan 1 and is 7% for 30 days. Plan 2 is 5% for 50 days, and the two other plans VIP Hustler and VIP Baller pay out 23% in 7 days and 32% in 5 days. If you decide to invest in the Hustler plan, you will need to invest at least $750 in Plan 1 or 2. If you go for the Baller plan, you must invest at least $3,000 in Plan 1 or 2. This is to protect the contract from draining out too fast. A 10% deposit fee is paid to the BUSD farm wallet, but this fee is not paid by you as a user, this fee is paid by the contract as a whole. And 20% of every withdrawal will stay in the contract to allow longevity. This is not a tax for marketing. It simply avoids the fast drain of the contract and solidifies the pool for withdrawals of all the investors. The displayed values are after the tax, so you will get what you see. The return on investment value of each plan is accurate. This is a static, or fixed payout, not like a token miner where your interest percentage depends on the contract balance and the amount of miners. The second farm I want to share with you is BNB Harvest. This farmer pays out a static 5% per day on your BNB. This is also a brand new farmer, and the contract already has 250 BNB in it. That's pretty amazing after one day. There's only one plan here, so it will not drain out as fast as other farmers that pay out much more interest. You can check the smart contract on BS Scan, or follow their socials on Twitter, Telegram, Reddit and YouTube. Certic has audited the contract, and found no real threats. But remember, once you put your money in, you cannot take it out. You can only withdraw your interest, and when the contract balance goes to zero, you will no longer receive interest. That's why it's wise to get in early in these contracts, so you get your initial investment back as soon as possible, and from there it's pure profit. If you would like to find out first about these new contracts and dApps, please join my Crypto Token Miners Telegram or Discord server. It's free, and you will always get the latest mining tips and farmers first. I will drop both the Telegram and Discord link below. And please don't forget, this is crypto. With high reward comes high risk. These farmers come and go, and nothing is guaranteed. Always do your own research before you invest your money. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get the latest videos first. Have a wonderful day. Always do your own research before you invest in crypto. Thanks again for watching my video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the beautiful bell to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day.